good time?
I'm having a great time, yay!
Are you having a homework right now?
I am doing my homework, Eli.
Okay.
It's not fun.
We want a song!
Who
Okay.
wants a song?
We want a song from Eli.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, M,
You must be singing the right song. Sing Twinkle Twinkle.
Okay, now. We want a song from Eli. How you doing?
We're great, how are you?
Oh, he's great.
Are you having a good time?
Yay!
Are you doing homework?
Yeah!
Okay!
It's homework, Peter.
Can I do that again?
Go for it.
Go ahead, you can do it again. Take two. Nice face.
Daddy, let me see. Daddy, let me see. Cheese. 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 Cheese, please. Cheese, let me. Cheese. Cheese, let me see. Cheese, let me see.